Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a Cash Building System Unlimited review. And today we're going to talk about this postcard opportunity that I've now been promoting for well over a year and have generated over $60,000 with this system. I would love for you to stay till the end of this video because we're going to discuss how you can start earning consistently with postcard mailing. But not only that, I want to talk about the number one reason why most people fail with the system and how you can be the one to actually start winning and earning consistently if you follow some direction. So I've been promoting postcard opportunities since 2016. And this was how I actually started affiliate marketing and was able to leave my job and never look back. And there's some great opportunities when it comes to postcard mailing, and there are some that are no good. What I noticed the difference between most of them is how the company handles their members, if they are providing their team with enough information, great leads, good looking postcards, and if they stay consistent with mailing out the information to their members. Now, there's a lot of them that don't work, but there are a lot of them that actually do work. And Cash Building System Unlimited has been one of the programs that has been basically paying on time, sending out packages in a timely fashion, and people have been getting results with this system. So with this opportunity, once you are a member, you are going to get a package in the mail. The company is going to require you to provide your phone number, your email, and a mailing address with your full name so that they can send out the information that you're going to need in order to get started. Okay. Everyone that becomes a member with Cash Building System Unlimited is going to receive an ID number. And this ID number is how they know who to pay. If your ID number is here, and let's just say someone mailing a postcard with your payment, and your ID number is up here, the company is going to pay with that ID number. Okay, a person cannot join without the ID number. If there's no ID number, the company will reach out to get that information so that the sponsor gets the payment. Okay, now with this opportunity, there's two phases. And what I love is that this is an affordable work from home opportunity. You don't have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started. And you can actually start generating income within the first couple of weeks, depending on how you market this opportunity and how consistent you are with marketing this opportunity. So for phase one, it's a $50. This is going to get you 200 postcards and 200 leads, which is the peel and stick labels that go on the front of the postcard. So they go right here on the front. You're going to receive $25 for each person that comes in from the leads that the company sends you. Now, when you upgrade to phase two, which you can do either right away or you can do it once you get your package, I recommend doing it right away because not only are you going to get 200 postcards, you're going to now get 400 postcards and 400 leads. This is going to allow you to start generating more additional income because with phase two, the entry fee is a little bit higher. It starts at 100. There's a $300 bonus level, then 500,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,500, and 5,000. I'm currently at the $2,500 level. This allows me to generate $1,750 from each person that comes in, but I'm also able to collect from anyone that comes in between level 1 through level 6. Okay. Now, if someone comes in and he brings someone in at any of these levels, this is how much I'm going to get paid. Your team is helping you to make money. So as people promote this opportunity, I'm going to get paid on position number 2, and these are the amounts. Okay. And the company is going to get a 10% monitor fee, and these are the amounts that goes to the company. That's how it works. So you can get started basically by mailing in your information, or if you scroll down, it's going to give you the way that you can pay using a credit or debit card. Now, you cannot skip phase one. Phase one is where you start, and then you automatically want to move to phase two. And you can join at these levels here. If you want to join at a higher level, contact me directly so I can get you set up and make sure that you have everything that you need once you join this opportunity. Okay. So the other thing that I want to just touch on, someone asked today, and this is a common question, is does the leads convert and where the leads coming from? The company does not give you the information of their lead source. I've never been a part of a company postcard mailing program that gives you their lead source. Okay. The reason why is that they're making money from their leads and they're giving you the leads at a discounted price. Does the leads convert? They can convert depending on how often you're mailing the leads and what your follow-up looks like. So let's talk about that part because that's very important. When it comes to following up, a person needs to see your information 7 to 12 times before they make a buying decision. If you are sending out a postcard and it doesn't include a website or a way to communicate with you, more than likely they're not going to buy right away because they only seen your information once. Now, if you send the information to them, it has your website, it has a capture page where they can consistently get information about your business, you have a higher chance of them purchasing from you because you're giving them other touch points where you're building the know, like, and trust factor. Maybe a person looks at this opportunity and they don't have the money right away. It may take them a week or two to get paid. They will forget if they aren't receiving information within that week to 2 week time span about your business. So you want to make sure that in between the time of mailing, that you have a website, you're set up properly so that you can automate messages to them and send them information on an ongoing basis after they receive the postcard. And it's not hard to do. This system can be set up for you. It's a small fee. And we can discuss that if you need to call me to get a page set up. You can scroll right down to the bottom of my page here and get this website, which will be customized to you for a one-time fee of $69. This information will allow people to really take a look at the opportunity, but not only that, watch the video and study the information so that they're educated before they get started. With the cash building system, you have 8 levels, 2 pay positions per level. You get fast start bonuses, spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses, and a residual income when you decide to join this opportunity. You can't beat that, but you have to be consistent with your efforts. I tell people to always add another traffic generation strategy to your postcards, and that could be whatever you want it to be. I actually have a training where I talk about several different ways that you can promote this opportunity on top of postcards. So between your mailings, so let's just say if you're mailing 150 postcards a week, you want to be doing something else because it's not going to take that long to send out 150 postcards. What do you do in between that time is what's going to allow you to leverage this opportunity. A lot of people stop at the mailing and don't realize that if it was that simple to just do 1 hour of mailing and get paid, everyone would do it. It's about how you position yourself and what you're doing in between mailing your postcards. Okay. So we have also bonuses available to those who come in at just the $50 level. And you're going to get exclusive trainings, information for discounted postcard stamps, access to the private Facebook group. We offer one-on-one training if you are interested. We have resources for success. And then we have the Eagles Club. And that's, again, for those who come in at the $1,000 level or higher, we'll get a one-on-one coaching for the Eagles Club and really learn how to take this business to the next level. So I'm excited about those who decide to get into this opportunity and want to leverage this and make more money and have a work from home opportunity. Just set yourself up the right way and stay consistent. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Stay inspired, guys. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.